The Minimalist Entrepreneur: How Great Founders Do More with Less, by Sahil Lavingia, is a compelling exploration into the philosophy and practice of minimalism applied to entrepreneurship. Lavingia, known for founding Gumroad and his journey from Silicon Valley success to embracing a more intentional approach to business, delves into how entrepreneurs can achieve more by doing less. Central to Lavingia's thesis is the idea that traditional notions of entrepreneurship often emphasize growth at all costs, leading to bloated operations, burnout, and sometimes, loss of purpose. In contrast, minimalism in entrepreneurship advocates for a focus on essentials, efficiency, and sustainability. It encourages founders to question the need for excessive complexity and instead prioritize simplicity in product design, business operations, and personal well-being. Lavingia begins by challenging the myth that success requires relentless hustle and non-stop work. Drawing from his own experiences and those of other successful entrepreneurs, he argues that effectiveness does not equate to busyness. Instead, he proposes that entrepreneurs should identify their core strengths, align their efforts with their values, and pursue meaningful impact over sheer scale. One of the key principles Lavingia explores is the concept of essentialism, popularized by Greg McKeown. Essentialism involves discerning between what is truly important and what is merely trivial or distracting. By focusing on the essential aspects of their business, whether it's the core product offering, key customer relationships, or strategic partnerships, entrepreneurs can avoid spreading themselves too thin and diluting their effectiveness. Moreover, the minimalist entrepreneur emphasizes the importance of mindful decision-making. Lavingia advises entrepreneurs to adopt a deliberate approach to growth, resisting the temptation to chase every opportunity or follow the latest trends blindly. Instead, he advocates for a measured, thoughtful expansion that aligns with long-term goals and sustains the business's underlying values. Throughout the book, Lavingia illustrates these principles with practical examples and case studies. He showcases how successful companies like Basecamp and Buffer have thrived by prioritizing simplicity, efficiency, and a healthy work-life balance. By focusing on creating exceptional products and fostering a supportive company culture, these firms have achieved sustainable growth without compromising their values or exhausting their resources. In addition to business strategy, the Minimalist Entrepreneur addresses the personal dimensions of entrepreneurship. Lavingia underscores the importance of mental and emotional well-being, highlighting how burnout and stress can undermine both individual performance and organizational success. He advocates for practices such as mindfulness, delegation, and setting boundaries to maintain a healthy equilibrium between work and personal life. Furthermore, Lavingia challenges conventional wisdom on funding and growth metrics. He argues that not every business needs to pursue venture capital or aim for unicorn status. Instead, he suggests that entrepreneurs consider alternative funding models and redefine success on their own terms. By focusing on profitability, sustainability, and customer satisfaction, founders can build resilient businesses that endure market fluctuations and economic downturns. Ultimately, the Minimalist Entrepreneur offers a refreshing perspective on entrepreneurship, one that encourages founders to question prevailing norms, embrace simplicity, and prioritize what truly matters. It serves as a manifesto for a new breed of entrepreneurs who are not only driven by profit but also by purpose and sustainability. By adopting minimalist principles, entrepreneurs can build businesses that are not only successful in financial terms but also fulfilling on a deeper, more personal level. In conclusion, Sahil Lavingia's The Minimalist Entrepreneur is a thought-provoking manifesto that challenges entrepreneurs to rethink their approach to business and life. Through practical advice, compelling anecdotes, and a compelling vision for a more intentional entrepreneurial journey, Lavingia inspires readers to pursue success with clarity, purpose, and a commitment to doing more with less.